Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our new tutorial series on graphic design and video editing tools. In this series, we'll be covering a range of topics to help you level up your content creation and designing skills. We'll be diving into tutorials on popular tools such as Plotagon, Canva, Microsoft Designer, Microsoft Clipchamp, Video Editor, and CapCut. If you're a beginner who's looking to learn the basics and enhance your skills, this series is perfect for you. In our tutorials, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions on main tools in each software and how to use these tools to create stunning graphics, animations, videos, and more. You will learn how to master features, tips, and tricks to make your content stand out and most unique. So, if you want to take your design and video editing skills to the next level, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials. Get ready to develop your creativity and bring your ideas to life with these powerful tools and for free. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.